name was Jacey, Dan, and Logan. Our guy was Tom Littlejohn. He's a bank teller. His annual salary is $24,680. His tax rate is 18%, which means he's single. His debt is $4,380, and he has $2,640 in savings. So we spent $300 on our housing because we had a roommate. $300 on housing, $237 on groceries, $234 on transportation, and $79.87 on debt. And we have $545.59 in saving and $290 in extra. Total is $1,686.46. And then we got our life update. We falsified a sick leave and pictures of us showed up on Facebook from Las Vegas. In order to keep our job, we had to take a $2,000 pay cut a year. And we got married and got a spouse. And we had a Vegas wedding, which cost $1,000. And we need $12,000 in savings if we had to get a divorce. And our spouse was a financial analyst that made $52,930 a year, 28% tax rate, and had $24,550 in debt, and had $6,310 in savings.
Okay, so now that we got married, we had to change our housing. Our housing went to $1,350. Our groceries went up to $605. Our transportation had to go up to $323. Our debt is now $527.58. Our savings went up to $1,211.02, and our extras went to $640. And that total is $4,656.60. We projected that we were going to spend $1,396.98 on housing. We projected that we were going to spend $698.49 on groceries. We projected we were going to spend $465.66 on transportation. Our debt, we projected $232.83 on, and that's in our debt. Our savings, we projected that we were going to save $931.32. Our extras, we thought we were going to have $931.32. Our differences was $46.98 on housing. Our difference on groceries, and that was $93.49. Our difference on transportation was $142.66. Our debt was a negative $294.75. Our savings was $279.70. Our extras was $291.32, and that added a difference of $559.40. So, our third year, we a good first year in building relationships, maybe a promotion on the horizon. Congratulations, we had twins. These were our first babies, so we had to take $12,000 out of our savings, which that left us with $22,719.32, and after we took out $12,000, that left us with $12,874.52. On year 3, our housing, we had bedrooms. We had a 2-bedroom house, so one for the spouse and I, and one room for our twins, because twins can share a bedroom. So our housing stayed the same. Our groceries went up to $873. Our transportation stayed the same because we have plenty of seats. $323. Our debt is $527 now. Our savings is $179.60. Our child care is $900. Our extras is $540. A total with $4,693. Our differences was negative $36. So we projected kind of wrong. Our projected was $1,000, $396.98 for housing. Or they all stayed the same, but child care was the difference. $698.49. After all of that, our savings went down, and there is our percentages for what we projected that we were going to spend out of our annual salary.